How to transfer money from American Express gift card to Apple Pay. American Express is a multinational financial services corporation. It is well known for its credit cards, charge cards, and travel-related services. To transfer money from American Express to Apple Pay first. First open your Apple Wallet. Click on this plus button to add American Express gift card. Click on Credit or Debit Card. Now scan this gift card through camera. You can also add card details manually. Click Next and put expiration date and security code. Click Next. Click on Agree. Click Use as default card. Now you can use this balance. Thanks for watching.